Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn off audio description on Amazon Prime Video. If you've been hearing a narrator describing the scenes while watching your favorite shows or movies, this quick fix will get rid of that and restore your normal viewing experience. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu bar and click on Prime Video. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can go directly to the Prime Video website instead of navigating through the main Amazon homepage. Either route works perfectly fine. Although I don't have a Prime Video subscription at the moment, I'll still show you the next step so you know exactly what to do. Once you're on the Prime Video page, go ahead and play any movie or TV show. It doesn't matter which one you choose, the settings will work the same way across all content. While the video is playing, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon labeled Subtitles and Audio. Click on that icon to open up the audio and subtitle options. This is where you'll be able to control how you experience the audio in your video. In the menu that appears, navigate to the audio section. Here's the key part. You need to select English only, not English audio description. The English audio description option is what's causing the narrator to describe the scenes. By switching to just English, you're choosing the standard audio track without any additional narration. That immediately turns off the narrator. Your video will now play with the original audio only, without anyone describing the visual elements on screen. The change takes effect right away, so you don't need to restart the video or refresh the page. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off audio description on Amazon Prime Video and can now enjoy your content the way it was meant to be experienced. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.